Have you ever wondered how the US legal system works? Well, it's no small feat to understand the intricate weave of laws and regulations that govern the country, but today we delve into the heart of this fascinating topic. At its core, the US legal system is a dual entity shaped by both federal and state laws. Federal laws with their broad reach govern the entire country, while state laws with their localized purview only cover a specific state. Both these systems handle civil and criminal cases, with federal courts addressing issues like bankruptcy and state courts dealing with matters such as evictions and divorce. The civil case usually springs to life when a plaintiff alleges that a defendant has caused harm, either by committing an unlawful act or by neglecting a legal obligation. In contrast, criminal cases are initiated when an individual is indicted for a crime. Unlike civil cases, it's the government, through the county prosecutor's office, that brings forth criminal cases. The victim, interestingly, is not a party to the case. State courts are a diverse lot, ranging from municipal courts to common pleas courts, where cases typically get underway. Municipal courts hear less serious criminal cases and civil claims for less than $15,000, while common pleas courts mainly deal with felonies and civil cases valued over $15,000. If a party loses at trial, the case can be taken to the Court of Appeals. Further, the losing party on appeal can request the Supreme Court of Ohio to hear the case. However, all courts can only hear cases within their jurisdiction, which is generally the geographic area where the court is located. The clerk of courts is the custodian of court records, responsible for receiving documents for filing and collecting court fees. For those unable to afford these fees, the court often allows the filing of a poverty affidavit, a sworn statement attesting to low income and inability to afford the fees. Once this affidavit is filed and approved by a judge, the filing fees for that case are either reduced or waived. There are certain issues which must first be addressed through an administrative proceeding before a court gets involved. State-provided benefits such as unemployment compensation, food stamps, and Medicaid fall under the administrative law system. If a state agency makes a negative decision about a person's benefits, the individual must be notified and given an opportunity to request a hearing by a certain deadline. At this hearing, the person can bring an attorney or representative to argue against the agency's decision. Only after exhausting all available administrative proceedings can a person take their issue to court. To sum it up, the US legal system is a vast and complex network of laws and regulations, intricately woven together to maintain order and justice. It's a dual system governed by federal and state laws and handles both civil and criminal cases. From the inception of a case in municipal or common pleas courts to its journey through the Court of Appeals and potentially the Supreme Court, each step is a testament to the robust functionality of this system. The role of the clerk of courts and the provision for poverty affidavits highlight the system's efforts to be accessible to all. And finally, the administrative law system underscores the importance of due process even before issues reach the court. This intricate dance of laws, courts, and procedures is what makes the US legal system a fascinating study and a pillar of the nation.